Hey, I just wanted to do a video on these door limiters. These are for a 60 series. I managed to get these bumpers reproduced. It took me about a year to get some high quality ones made. They are made out of urethane. I tried 3D printing some, but they didn't turn out great and they probably wouldn't have lasted that long. But these are nice. They have a little bit of softness to them. So if you guys are interested in the set of these, let me know and I can get a set to you. I've already sold several sets to people. But these door limiters, if you're wondering why they look so nice, I media blasted them and had them cadmium plated. So yeah, I just wanted to take a video of these so you guys can see what they look like in a video. They are exact replicas of the originals because they were made in a mold of the original bumper. So there you have it. If you want some, get in touch with me. My email is in the description.